guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video will be on how I make the Kraft Macaroni and Cheese more cheesy. So for the ingredients, you are going to need this box of macaroni and cheese, which is the Kraft brand. You will also need some sharp cheddar. I have a cup of 2% milk. I also have some butter and 2 slices of the Velveeta cheese. Okay, so I already have my water boiling. On the box it says to put 6 cups of water in there. I did not measure it just because I would suggest putting enough to just cover the noodles. So now that the water is, I also put a teaspoon of vegetable oil in there, and also just a little salt to keep the noodles from sticking. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pour the noodles in there. And I'm also gonna go ahead and turn down my stove just a little. Now go ahead and just stir the pasta around to make sure nothing is sticking together. And also make sure that you're not overcooking your pasta noodles. Okay, so I drained the water from the noodles. So as you can see, all of my water is out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter. As well as some milk. I'm going to go ahead and stir the milk and the butter around and just let that heat up for a moment. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a little more butter. So for a total of 3 tablespoons I have put into the pasta. And now I'm going to add in just a tad bit more milk. So now we're down to a half a cup. And we started off with 1 cup. Now I'm going to take the dried cheese packet that came in with the macaroni and cheese, and I'm going to go ahead and add some, and then start to mix that around. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the packet. and stir that in as well. So as you can see, it's starting to mix all the way in. Now, I will be taking the sliced cheese and just breaking it up in there. It doesn't matter how you break it up, just as long as it gets all in there. Okay, now I will be mixing that around. Now I'm going to take the second slice of cheese that I had and now break that up and add it in. Now I will be taking the sharp cheddar and adding that as well. It doesn't matter how much of the shredded cheese you put in there. As you can see, the cheese is starting to melt, and just to loosen it up a little bit, I will be adding just a tad bit more milk. As well as some more shredded cheese. And just continue to mix it in. And as you can see, it has got really cheesy, and also it has a nice creamy look. And that, guys, is how you add to your Kraft mac and cheese to make it more cheesy as well as more creamy. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video, and I will see you all in my next video.